Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com. I'm making this video about gold. So let's get it started. Let's take a look at a few charts from the back. This is the chart, the monthly chart I made in December 2022, right? Showing the bullish trend. Wave 3 was here, big wave 3, big wave 4, and then big wave 5 should be ending somewhere there above wave 3 of this count. So this whole thing was wave 5 of this count. I forgot to mention the count here, but this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are subwave of the big wave 5, right? Weekly chart as well, you can see here, this is how it is. This is wave 1, 2, wave 3, then A, B, C, wave 4, and then this wave 5, black count. This would be wave 5 of the big wave 5. This will end the up move or the bull trend eventually, right? So we were in this wave. So let's go take a look. I'm going to skip a lot of charts in between and take you to 2024 now. So this is March 2024. This is how we started to go. So this is wave 1, 2, 3, ABC 4. We did that. And then wave 5, this blue count, right? Wave 5. And this is the black count of this wave 3, 4, and wave 5, right? So this wave 5 would end the bull move, and we were here. Sub waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's clear. Now, this one, my target was somewhere here like 26, maybe 2600. Then it started to go even more, and then I made this chart in June 24, and I said, well, now maybe wave 3 only. This wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, right? So this wave 3 probably will end 2561 area, somewhere there. Then we will drop for wave 4, and then we go for wave 5, right? So this was the chart in June 24. Then this is again monthly chart. This is where we end in September 24. September 24, this is again big wave 3, 4, and subwave 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 powerful going to the upside. So my take was this target that we would probably go to 2778, 2780, something like that, right? And wave 5. So far, let me see. Now I'm going to show you some smaller chart, time frame chart that I made, and one of them was a 4-hour chart, and this was this chart here. Now you can see that there is small time frame. Wave 4 was ended here, and then we will make a small wave 5, which will end this wave 3. And out of that, I had this version 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then Roman count, and then we will drop for this wave 4, and we will go for wave 5 and end wave 3 here. Then we will drop for wave 4, right? This is one version made on the 9th, but there was another version saying that this is wave 1, and this, if we say this drop is wave 2, and then this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this ends wave 3 here, and this is wave 4, and so here this wave 3 will end, numerical wave 3. So let me show you. I lost the chart, that version that I made, but let me show you in the live chart that this is how it looks like. That's what I'm talking about, that it will be ending here. Let's see, if this is wave 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this end wave 3, this is wave 4, and wave 5 as well as wave 3 ends here already, right? This is one version, and then we're going to drop for wave 4 of this numeric count. This numeric count that started from the bottom. This is wave 1, 2, right? Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this wave 5. That is wave 3 ending here, and then we're going to be dropping for wave 4. So if wave 2 is this big, then imagine wave 4, how big it's going to be. So we will see that later, right? But numeric count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is finished. Not numeric, sorry. This a Roman count, right? And wave 3 ended, so wave 4. This is one version that we ended wave 3 here. There's another version that no, we have not finished that just yet. This is wave 3 of a new Roman count. We're going to drop for wave 4. Then we're going to go back up for wave 5 of this wave 3. We'll end here, and then we're going to drop. So either way, right now we're dropping either for this wave 4 or this wave 4. Doesn't matter. We are dropping right now, right? And so now going to the upside from here to here, when I made the chart that it's going to go to the upside for wave three, remember that I just showed you the chart? This is the chart I made. It's wave four, and we're going to go up for wave five. So I had a couple of entries there to going to the upside, just like this one on the 24th, right? Long entry here using my setup, and the buy orders right there. So it went up nice and clean. On the 25th again, I had this entry, and then it went up nice and clean. Then when it started to drop from the top, I had this on the Friday or Thursday or Friday. This drop when we had a big drop, and I was expecting the drop right after wave three ending. We're supposed to go for wave four to the downside. So this was a nice trade, 27.82 to 27.39, right? So that's what it is. Now, what is really happening now is you can see here that either this version we're gonna drop for wave four, then it could be wave four or wave A to the downside, then B and then C to the downside. Or this would be wave four, then we go up instead of B, that we will go up for wave five and finish up wave three of this numeric count. Then you're going to drop for wave four, A, B, C fashion. So let's see what happens. Right now we are dropping. This is one version. This is second version, right? We ended wave three here, let's say. So we're dropping for wave four anyway. And wave four is going to be this wave four, this for this, right? So this is wave one, and A, B, and then A, B, C, two, wave two. So this is a pretty big move, right? And wave four has to be bigger than that, right? Either equal or bigger. So imagine from here to here. Let me see if I can equal distance, right? So at least equal to that. So we will take this thing and go and place it on the end of wave three if it is actually ended. And let's say wave three ended here, then you're talking about wave four going like this, A and then B and then C here. All right. So be ready. That's what's happening. Today is November 3rd. Tomorrow, election in US, right? That will, just, I'm not going to touch the market at all in any instrument whatsoever. Not even today, I guess. Today and tomorrow, and then even day after tomorrow, Monday, it will be, too much volatility and not very good to trade in these days. Right? Everything will be like crazy going up and down. So just prepare yourself. And some people asking me about sort of like silver and then indices and different things that if I can do the counting. But the thing is that doing these Elliott wave counting in too many it takes time. So I'm not into that. I only do it like gold and a few other things that I trade, right? But I do teach how to, count these wave and then find out which wave you are in. Now, what's the benefit of that? The benefit is that, let's say, for example, this wave four. Now, don't take me wrong, but the thing is, this is the most dangerous and most complicated wave of all. 1, 2, 3, and 5, they're pretty good. Even 2 is also a corrective wave, but it is not as bad as wave four. Wave four is the one that if you know that you are going to fall into wave four, and if you are not expert, stay away from that. Very dangerous, and most people lose their account. You heard the term ranging, right? So that's what it is. Most ranging happen in wave four when the instrument is in wave four, right? So sometimes nasty corrections involve like flat and then expanded flat, a regular flat, then comes a triangle, then comes again regular flat, right? Complex, double and threes, and all kind of nasty things can happen here in this wave four. So why bother, right? Unless you know exactly what you are doing, you can once you learn this Elliott wave, then you can definitely trade. But if you don't, then my advice is to stay away from wave four. But anyway, this is how the gold is behaving right now. Like I said, that I had a very nice trade on Thursday or Friday. This is on the 31st. Beautiful drop, big drop, right? Similarly, pound yen was a big drop there, 260 pip trade it gave me. So when things make the turn, they do make to turn like that. So this is it for now, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and for the future videos, so you can get it on time. A small breakdown. I will make another breakdown even on a smaller time frame, and then I'll post on my Telegram for my subscribers. And if you wish to get that, you can just go ahead and then go on my website here, and you can subscribe. And if you really want to learn all of this mumbo jumbo about Elliott wave, I have courses here, video courses here, all Elliott wave and harmonic patterns. So either you can take them very cheap, and if not, if you want personal coaching for 10-hour course, 5-hour course, I'll make you master of this Elliott wave and harmonic pattern, all of that. The beauty of that is that you know exactly that which wave you are in. You should trade it or not trade it. And you go to something else, right? Sometimes the USD pairs are moving, but not yen pairs, right? Yen pair is stationary, but sometimes you find out that, okay, yen is on the move, but USD and pound, they are like stationary, not moving, right? So you can avoid these things and go after the one that are moving at the moment, right? Not everything is moving all the time. Yeah, the election day, maybe everything will be moving at the same time, but it is also very, very dangerous to do trading on these days. So I will avoid completely. November 4 is completely no, no, no. And maybe, November 5th, I'll see if I can get some good entries and all of that. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the weekend.